Hey there, beer drinkers. Welcome back. I'm Kid Ugly, if it's your first time. Today I'm doing Long Johns. I probably didn't do that correctly, but it's from Yards Brewing. Uh, this is their winter lager, coming in at 6% alcohol. I figured today was a good time to do it because we got a good snowfall over the last couple of days, and it is cold out. Perfect weather for your Long Johns. Jones. However you say it. I'm not from Philly. I'm from very northern Pennsylvania. You know, it's weird how many different accents we have in one state. But let's get into her. I got my proper glassware. It is really cold up here, like single-digit mornings right now. It's getting up to 20s. Snow. It is perfect time to start breaking out the winter lagers, the winter ales. So I do have some I'm going to try to do. Now this pours a dark reddish brown. When I put it up to the ring light, I can just see the ring light through it, and it's got like a dark reddish amber hue. The head was about a finger's length. It didn't stay on very long. Dark khaki tan, and I could smell it from here. Like, it's definitely got some sweetness to it. Dark fruit, like a plum. Raisiny. Almost like raisin bread. That's what it smells like to me, raisin bread. Yeah, and I'm not a fan of raisins. I'm not a fan of raisin bread, but I do know what it smells like. I mean, we had it. I just never ate it. So, it's definitely got some like a raisin bran, plum, dark fruit. A little bit of spiciness, like not so much, maybe more like nutmeg, clove. Man, it smells interesting. You get that raisin bready, yeasty. Man, it smells good. Like the aroma coming off it is fantastic. I mean, I've had a lot of stuff from Yards. I've done a few reviews from these guys. They've been around, what, 94, I think. Yep, 94. So, I mean, these guys have been doing it for a long time. One of the pioneers of craft, really. I mean, so let's get a taste on this beer. Malty, dark, strong, 6%, but that is strong. A little bit of heat to it. Almost like a slight coffee. You get some of that dark plum. This is definitely a beer if you want to warm up. If you want something that's gonna hit you, perfect for winter time. They aren't kidding. This is a Long John kind of beer. It's perfect for that. I mean, you see them with the Long Johns, the back falling off. So. It's definitely a sipper. It's kind of got like a big sweetness to it. It's sweet, plum, almost coffee-like bitter finish to it. So I can't be sitting here taking big swigs of it. If I had a 6-pack, I could probably do maybe like 2 at a time. Like I would have one and then another, then have to save the other 4 for another day. Just because of the taste alone, not so much for the alcohol content, but it is a rich, dark, roasty, sweet, like dark fruit plum. You get some of that warmness coming off of the nutmeg, clove spice. It's just fantastic. It's good. I'm gonna give it a 3.75 out of 5, just because, for me personally, that malty sweet bitterness that lasts a little bit is a little much for me, and that's why I can only do maybe 2 in a sitting, and I'm gonna have to sip on it. Maybe it'd be good for you. That's just me personally, so be aware of that. I don't know if you'd like that in your beer or not. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just much, so I'm gonna sit here and sip on this. try to stay warm. It is probably around like 15 degrees outside right now. So I hope you stay warm. I hope wherever you're at is nice and toasty. If you get snow, if you're on the East Coast or across the northern, I know we're finally starting to get a winter time. It's been holding off. I was kind of hoping maybe we're just skipping the spring. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. So thank you for watching, and until next time, cheers everybody.